Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Stitch Fix. I opened it, but I haven't looked inside yet. What you get in this box are 5 clothing items. Sometimes they have shoes, they have purses, they have jewelry. I ask for not to get those things because I am just too picky. So I get mostly blouses. That's what I like to get. And I am plus size, so they do accommodate me for that. And what you get in this box is this. That's what I have going. And also an envelope. And the envelope has your note from your stylist and your list of pricing and all that type of thing. So we're going to put that aside for now. If you join under me, anytime of the day, any time of the week that you want to join, if you're not watching a video, I have in my description a $25, if you join, you get $25 off. So right away, the styling fee is $20. When you get sent a box, you're charged $20. But if you have that $25 fee for the first time, you won't be charged the $20. They'll take it off of there and you'll still have $5 credit for what you buy. And if you decide not to buy anything, then it didn't cost you anything. So it's a great way to try and see if it's something you think you would like. I didn't think I would like this, y'all. For years, I haven't tried this for several years, watching people and loving Stitch Fix videos, but too afraid to try it myself. And then I'm like, you know what? It's basically quote unquote free to try. And then you might find things you like. And honestly, they have got me to wear things that I never would have bought at the store. So I do like that about it. And they aren't pushy that way. But they'll, because if they send you something you don't like, don't keep it. But I've had a good relationship with my stylist, and I just want to pass it on to you that you can try it for free. And if they give me a different amount than the $25, it'll be in my description, and I'll put a community tab post also to tell you about it. Because I think when they give you a better deal than the 25 off, it's a quick, you've got to get it within 48 hours or something. I'm not really sure but I think you have to do it fast. So let me try things on and show you what I got. All right, y'all. So this top is really cute. It has a nice pattern to it. I have two blouses that I think this is Monday Fun, I think. Same design, but they're the short sleeve. So I do like this a lot. It feels like it's a little big on me though. And I like this anyway. This is nice. They also sent me these pants. And these pants are the tribal, which I love. This print is the cutest. It's I don't know what it is, but these are short. They're a little bit short, which would be great for sandals, but I don't know how do you wear short pants like that in the fall and winter time. And they're a little big on me. So they're a little big. And I'll tell you about that when I go to check out, so to speak, okay? But this is cute. I don't know, did I turn around to show you the back? All right. And then I have this top. I like this top a lot. This is navy blue with little dots on it. And it's just simple, pretty simple here. I don't know if there's anything going on in the back. I feel the tags back there. This one feels like it fits me better. So I do like it. Well, that went quickly. I have my card with my styling information from Veronica. She's my stylist. I do want to tell you also that I have a style pass. They offered me a style pass. It's $49 for the year, and it covers me for 365 days. So I do not pay that $20 styling fee. I pay the $49 one time, and then they did give it back to me when I bought something. So it basically is free, like I said. Okay. Hey Mary, I'm having a nice summer. Thanks for asking. I'm with you in being ready to prepare for fall, that's for sure. She didn't have any of the kinds of skirts that I wanted, but I did come up with an interesting alternative. I found some wide leg cropped pants from Tribal that should hit you about mid-calf. They did not. They didn't. They went to my ankle, above my ankle. Are these still too pantsy for you? Let me know if I should avoid non-flowy pants styles for a while. While this is a fall-centric fix, I realize the weather in Alabama will be warm for a while. A fabulous way to meet the two needs right in the middle is the lightweight Daniel Rain scarf. Do you like to wear scarves? Try pairing this with the solid navy, well, blouse. Okay, for a pop of autumnal color, I wanted to have another shot at a dress. And while the 9 Britain dress is sleeveless, this would look great under your pink cardigan. Cheers, Veronica. So they try to pair you with things that they've given you before. So they sent me a dress. They sent me a dress. It's really nice and soft, y'all. It would be a really, really nice fall dress if I would wear it, but I won't. I didn't even try it on because it's sleeveless. And it's not, yeah, I probably could wear it with a cardigan, but I get to, a lot of times I have to take things off of me, so I didn't even try it on. This is the back, and then it feels very t-shirty, except that I think it's got some rayon going on because of the stretch and all, but it is cute, I will say that. See, that goes in the back, like I said, and then it has pockets, which is really fun, but I won't wear it. And it's just goes to my knees. But it's cute. It's cute. It's just not for me. And let me see, they do have the price list. So I feel like I'm all over the place. I apologize for that. Let's see what that is. That's a privet back detail knit dress from 9 Britain. It's $44. That's a good price. I guess that's what that means, that privet back. It's that, because it is cute. It's navy. It's super cute. I wish I could wear those kinds of things, but I just won't do it. Then there was this thing, and let me tell you something, y'all. This is gorgeous. I love the pattern. It's very fall. But this, when I took, like, what is it? It's open. It's a big circle. And there's no opening. And I'm like, I had no idea what it was until I read the paperwork. So it's an infinity scarf. So what do you do, like this with an infinity scarf, right? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. But will I wear it? No. I don't like things around my neck. No. Now, I might if I was going somewhere nice and this would match my outfit. I might. But on a regular day-to-day basis, like to work and keep it on, like a lot of people do that, I would never do it. So that is $32. And of course it doesn't have a size. I get 2X's. And then these pants, they felt too big on me. The pattern is adorable. It's not a herringbone, it's just little tiny dots, little tiny white dots on black. I like it. These tribal pants are fantastic. I have a couple pair. I have the navy blue, and then the last pair that I got in my last fix that I had a 5 for 5. I felt that they were too big, and I felt that way, but I didn't do anything about it because of my shoulder for a couple of weeks, and they happily changed it for me and I sent it back to them, and they sent me the size 16, which are a little snug on me, y'all. So that's why I have to try on pants. That's why I didn't ask for pants. But these are a little loose on me. I mean, to me, they were like bunchy around the crotch area, really. So I don't like that. And then also, when I put them on, this was odd. This isn't sewn down. I don't know if that's why that is that way, but I didn't care for that. But I really like the travel pants, basically, okay? So those are $58, which is what they usually are. And then there's the two tops. The Monday Fun, which is this one. I love this top. It felt a little bit big on me, but you know what? If this was a 5 for 5, I'd take it. I love the pattern. It's super fall and winter. I love it. But am I going to get it? I don't know, because I'm just disappointed about the whole thing. I could get it. And then this one, I did like this one. This is Les Sarin Presley 3/4 sleeve blouse. That Monday Fun was called Charon Pleat Detail Blouse in olive. And this one is the navy, and this is $44. So that would be $90 if I kept both blouses. And I like this. They're just very plain. You know, I like this sleeve. That is one thing about this. The reason this felt big on me was these sleeves have elastic and they sort of hung funny to me. Anyway, I can't find them right now. They're here somewhere. There they are. They have elastic. I don't really care for that, but it wasn't tight on me at all, so that's a good thing. So, all right, my whole entire fix is $224. If I kept everything, I'd get $56 off. You get 25% off if you keep everything. That would make it $168. If I liked everything, that's a great deal. And the shipping, of course, is free. So if I keep the two tops, like I said, it'll be $90. I don't know if I'm going to do that because honestly, y'all, the chiropractor is costing a lot of money. So I'm not sure. I'm going to think about it. I have a couple of days to think about it. So thanks for stopping by to see my fix. And yeah, you know, it's disappointing when it's not a 5 for 5, but a 5 for 5 would have been, you know, I'd have to pay for it. So, but I do like what they sent me. Basically, I love the dress. I do. Like I said, I didn't try it on because I know I won't ever wear it, but it might have been cute on me. See, they just try to push you a little bit, which is nice because we should get out of our comfort zone a little bit when we can. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.